Hi, I'm David Welch. You've seen me on tons of YouTube videos for Brothers Trucks. I'm coming to you today from their tech center to give you a little advice on your square body 73 to 87 Chevy and GMC trucks. If you look on the front of your bumper, you've got a really nice valance going on in here. And the gap is all taken care of, but on the back, it's pretty unattractive. Some of the vehicles came with a little thing right in here to cover these, but not a complete section. We went ahead and we powder coated this, but it comes raw steel, so you can paint it any color you want it, you can chrome it, whatever you want to do. It's really nice and easy to install. You're probably going to want to get a buddy to help you out though, especially if your bumper's looking pretty nice like this. You're going to want to get a few things planned up, but not much. We're going to get something to set our bumper on so it doesn't get scratched. We're going to get some tape and we're going to put it on our edges so we don't scratch our paint. All we're going to need more than likely is a 3/4 inch socket deep and a 1/2 inch wrench. All we're going to do is take off our lower bolts first, because if we take our top ones off, then it might fall down on us. But if we take our lower ones off, it'll still hang there. We'll get most of them out, then we'll just take the last two from the edge and we'll put it on our plastic. Then we'll go ahead and we'll show you how easy it is to install this. We've taken out all the other nuts and bolts except for these right here that we can get to nice and easy. We'll take those out and then we can go ahead and take the bumper off and lay it down. Now, on your license plate light, there's going to be a wire, and you're going to want to disconnect that before you take the bumper off, otherwise you're going to tear it, and you're going to have to fix that all up over again. Now we'll go ahead and put this piece on, and I'll show you just how quick that goes. This bracket right here, this is going to bolt to the back of your bumper bracket, and it is going to go right here like this. You can see it's slotted, so we'll be able to move it around a little bit. So I'm just going to set this up here. Now I can take this and carefully, you can see I've got tape on all my areas that I have to worry about being scratched, and then I'll go ahead and bolt this on. Now you don't want to tighten this nut, this little 1/2 inch nut, too tight, because we still have to keep this bracket a little bit loose. We can maneuver it around a little bit. We're going to get our bumper bolt ready, and we're going to get our buddy, and we're going to go ahead and put our bumper on. I'm going to set this bumper bolt in first, and then I'll just get a couple of finger tights on that. This will hold onto my bumper while I line my bracket and get the nut on that. Now I'll get the rest of all my bumper bolts in and I'll tighten them all up. Then I will make sure that our piece right here is right in the middle. Then I'll tighten up the 2 1/2 inch nuts on the bottom, and we're all done. So here you go, we're looking good. It only took us 20-25 minutes. A couple of last helpful handy hints for you. When you go ahead and tighten down your bumper bolts, don't just grab one and torque it all the way down. Make sure you get them all snug first, and then just go ahead and slowly tighten them all up. This will keep things from warping on you and maybe cracking your chrome or something like that. Also, don't forget to plug your light back up. Also, don't forget to check us out on Instagram, our Facebook page, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get even more helpful handy hints.